Hey everybody, it's Baseball 435, and here again today with another video of a game, or an online game that I just started making last night. It is a space game where two clients connect and then they can shoot at each other. It is not tic-tac-toe, so it's a little bit more interesting because the two players interact better. They can see each other moving, but it did take a little bit longer to make. This probably took me about 5 or 6 hours, I started it last night. It took about 3 hours. I'd say I worked on it, and then I just got home and I started working on it. It took about 2 hours, so I'd say about 5 hours altogether. I used my game library again, and I also used CryoNet. I'll post that in the description if any of you are interested. But let me start it up. So I'm going to start the server. There was still some debugging. I just didn't take it out right now because I don't feel like it. But it's the same connecting system as tic-tac-toe, and I just put it in there because I didn't really care about how they connected, just as long as they connected, and I like the way that they connected anyways. So, but when the two people connect, you have, well, on this side, when you use A and D to move left and right, you can't move up and down. But when I press D on this side, it goes to the right on this side, so it's the opposite, even though it's not the opposite over here. So that was something that I did. Same with over here. And when you fire, you shoot your missiles, and there's like a 300 millisecond delay, so you can't just rapid fire them. But the one graphical glitch is they get stuck at the very end. It's client-sided, so I can actually run into it. Like if you're watching over here, you can see me run into it, but nothing's going to happen because it's all client-sided, and on the server there really is no missile. So I haven't really figured that out yet. I'm still working on it, but it's really not that big of a deal. I'll probably just not even care about it. This is just for testing purposes on more of a sending things over with like coordinates and missiles and moving back and forth players and stuff like that. But yeah, so this is what I did so far. So when you shoot a player, let me just shoot the enemy. It says you shot down your opponent and your opponent shot you down. So it's pretty straightforward once again. Not really a fun game. I mean, it's a little bit more interesting than tic-tac-toe, but I mean, it's a good start to make people connect and interact and stuff like that. So it's good practice for me. Well, it can also hold as many clients as your computer can hold, or as many games as your computer can hold. So we have these two people over here, and then we have these two people over here. So yeah, those two don't interact. I mean, you can have as many games as you want running. This does work on different computers. I didn't really say that in the other video, but I can play on like my brother's computer or someone else's computer. If I port forward, I can play it on, or I can play someone else, like a friend that lives like, I don't know, somewhere else, not on my network. So it is online. Another thing that I added in, which I didn't have in tic-tac-toe, is when you click the exit button, it says on the other opponents that your opponent has left the game, and then you can exit from there. But that's it, guys. I don't think that I'll be making a tutorial on this, but I still have to decide. I have to make the tic-tac-toe one first, and then after that I'll decide. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Comment and subscribe. See you later.